Good evening and welcome to Arctic Winter Games Daily. I'm Sarah Woodall, committee member for the host society, and I'm going to be with you for the next few days to tell you all the exciting news about Arctic Winter Games 2016. Yesterday we had some blizzard winds that brought everything to a halt, but today Air Greenland is taking care of that situation with over 33 flights, more than 500 people, coming into Nuuk just in time for the opening ceremony tonight and the competitions that start first thing tomorrow.
Saturday wasn't exactly a day for flights in and out of Nuuk. Snow and wind created chaos, and the flight bridge that was meant to bring Arctic Winter Games to Nuuk had to be postponed. The plane stayed in the hangar, and the participants and delegations stayed in Kangerlussuaq. But on Sunday the weather cleared, and the plane started arriving in Nuuk. Not everyone made it for the opening ceremony, but everybody will be ready for the games.
Let's take a look at some of the highlights from the opening ceremony.
Sing it to me, hey, hey, hey. Aku sahu mabedi, mesti sesitit nuenan nabai. Aku sahu mabedi, بس يسيت وانا نبات كمالاتي بصغيقات الضباتيو أمناتي إليك صغيقات الضباتيو
Woo!
Selfie.
Welcome to Arctic Winter Games 2016. My name is Maren Louisa Poulsen Christensen.
And I am Hansen Erik Sorsak Poulsen.
And we
are honored to be your masters of ceremony for the opening ceremony here in Nuuk, Greenland.
We just saw a young rapper from South Greenland, Qaqortoq, Nikolaj Lønstrup, performing with all the way from Qaanaaq drum dancer David Manumina.
Great Spirit.
Along the heavens.
Welcome to the Arctic Winter Games 2016 here in Nuuk, and welcome to Greenland, Kalaallit, Nunaata. We have truly been looking forward to welcoming you, our Arctic friends, to the Games and to our beautiful country. It is the second time in Greenland's history that we are hosting the Arctic Winter Games. In 2002, we co-hosted the Games with Kalaallit in Nunavut. This time we are the sole hosts of the Games, and the Games are about twice as big as back then. Kalaallit is also part of the Games this year, as the hockey tournament takes place in Kalaallit. We send a heartfelt thank you to Kalaallit for the support and the engagement in the Games. More than 1,700 people are volunteers for the Arctic Winter Games 2016. And people from all around Greenland are involved in making the Games happen. They work really hard to make the Games as good and fun as possible. And we truly hope that you can feel that during the week. I participated in the Arctic Winter Games in '92, and I know you're all really excited. But I also know that this will be a week that you'll never forget. We are happy to share this week with you in a sense of an Arctic community where we meet each other with curiosity, have the courage to compete against each other, but most importantly, make new friends. Bring it on and let the Games be an experience that we'll never forget. Join, feel, jump.
With us to welcome the athletes to the Arctic Winter Games 2016 opening ceremony here in Nuuk is our mascot, Kuduk. Welcome, Kuduk.
Say it again.
Next.
Welcome to the officials of the Arctic Winter Games 2016.
welcome to Northwest Territories, their athletes and flag bearer, Jacob Klingenberg. Here to welcome Team Northwest Territories is the Honorable Alfred Moses, Minister for Education, Culture and Employment and Minister responsible for youth.
Welcome to Alaska, their athletes and flag bearer, Medico. Here to welcome Team Alaska is Team Alaska Board President, Tim Dillon.
Welcome to Alberta North. We are pleased to greet and welcome their athletes and flag bearer, Jordan Lundström. Here to welcome Team Alberta North is Mr. George Short, Chair of the Board, Alberta Sport Connection. We would like to welcome the next host society, Nunaata, Quebec, their athletes and flag bearer, Salati Akuliak. Here to welcome Team Nunaata, Quebec is the Miss Jennifer Munnik, Chairperson of Ketchivic Regional Government.
From Nunavut, a big welcome to the flag athletes and flag bearer, Shelby Angalik. From Sapmi, please welcome the athlete and flag bearer, Kari Magrata Trio. Here to welcome Team Sapmi from Sami Parliamentary Council, Norway, the Honorable President Aili Gestikalo.
And all the way from Yamal, Russia, please welcome their athletes and flag bearer, Denis Longordov, walking with his team, the Honorable Alexander Machado, Deputy Governor, Director of the Department for International Relations, Yamal Nyenyets.
A big hand for Yukon, their athletes and flag bearer, Natalie Hines. Here to welcome Team Yukon is the Honorable Kerry Dixon, Minister of Community Services.
And last but not least, welcome the athletes and flag bearer Nuka Nielsen from the host society, Kalaallit, Nunaata, Greenland. Here to welcome Team Greenland is the Honorable Libby Olsen, Minister for Education, Culture, Research, and the Church. Welcome, everybody. There have been numerous contestants for the honor of being selected as the Arctic Winter Games 2016 theme song. It is my pleasure to present to you the winners of the Arctic Winter Games 2016 theme song competition. Please give it up for Small Jam Giants and We Are the Arctic.
Breaking down the walls that are between us, we lift our hands up to the sky. We are believers in the courage. In the end, we will all be winners. Every day we repeat, we are getting stronger. Let's raise our fist up to the sky. We have the power to give all we have with the northern lights above us. We are the Arctic. We are the Arctic. The spark inside is wild.
That's it for the first night of the Arctic Winter Games Daily. See you tomorrow when we cover the first day of competitions.